Joe Slinger Service, we provide auto repair, also light truck, anything up to, say, a 1-ton pickup truck is what we work on.
I do all the administrative stuff. Joe fixes cars. So I do the insurance and the books and marketing and everything else like that. When we first built the business, we wanted to make sure we had everything covered properly. Our employees, our building, if something were to happen to customer vehicle, we wanted to make sure everything was covered properly.
When we first started working with Joe and Wendy, there were a few things in their insurance portfolio that we thought they needed. And West Bend offered some coverages that I thought were key for them. And one of them was a blanket building and contents. And another big one was the actual loss sustained for garage keepers, the coverage for their customers' vehicles. And with a growing business, that coverage was a key for them.
When starting a business, yeah, you do need to have insurance, but then when you get into the workman's comp and the garage keepers, those are things you just simply don't understand, and Tracy has helped us with that.
Working with Tracy is great because she is very hands-on. She comes to our building, she sees what we have, and she can put it back into the policy. The garage keepers policy covers exactly what we need because that's what we have here.
We're selling a promise to our customers, a promise that the silver lining is going to be there when they need it, right? When their claim needs to be handled, who's going to be there? You want that silver lining to take care of our customer, take care of our promise. That's what we do as agents, insurance agents, risk advisors. We are there to help our customer at their greatest time of need. And we want to make sure that we place them with a company who is going to be there for us. And that's West Bend.